Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Applied Biochemists Algaetrine. What is Applied Biochemists Algaetrine? Applied Biochemists Algaetrine effectively kills off any green and mustard yellow algae using elemental copper, restoring your pool to its former beauty. Copper is just as effective as the harsh chemicals other brands frequently use, and will not clog your filter, cause foaming, or affect water clarity. It even allows swimming immediately after application. Product benefits: kills green and mustard algae, compatible with chlorine and bromine sanitizers. Usage directions: always apply chemicals separately. Never combine them. This is a concentrated product and it works best when added in several places directly to the pool water with the pump running. After the addition of algaecide, keep the pump running for several hours and wait 15 minutes before entering the pool. Pools with a heavy growth of algae must be cleaned prior to using this product. Maintain pool water in the pH range of 7.2 to 7.6. Adjust pH to 7.2 for severe algae. Initial dose: use a sequestering agent to prevent scale and stain formation. Next, add 16 fluid ounces of algaetrine per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Maintenance dose: add 16 fluid ounces of algaetrine per 10,000 gallons of pool water every 3 months to prevent algae growth. Visible algae: if the pool has visible slight algae growth, use 16 fluid ounces of algaetrine per 10,000 gallons of pool water. When the pool is free of visible algae, use a maintenance dose. Sever algae: add 32 fluid ounces of algaetrine per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Once control is obtained, resume regular preventative maintenance with the algaetrine. Winterizing: when swimming season is over, add 16 fluid ounces algaetrine per 10,000 gallons of pool water. This dosage helps control algae growth during the winter months and aids the servicing of the pool before it is returned to use the following summer. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.